Arrival confirmed for shipment 204.
Copy that. Proceed to Sector 4.
Guiding the lead bull to the left lane now.
Confirm the flow is smooth.
Clear entry on lane 1.
Pressure stabilized at 50 psi. Lane 3 is clear. We are ready for the first group. Initiating automated wash sequence now. We focus the high-pressure stream right here, Supervisor. All debris removed.
Excellent work. The hide quality is optimal.
Scan complete. Cleanliness at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. Recording pass status.
Scan complete. Cleanliness at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. Recording pass status.
Easy now. Keep moving.
Stay to the right.
Looking good. Next group.
Okay, team, let's start with lane 3. Monitor the vitals closely.
I have the thermometer ready, Doctor.
Restraint system is secure.
Scan on the flank looks clear.
Confirmed. Body condition score is excellent.
Vitals look strong. The cardiac rhythm is steady at 45 BPM.
Understood. I'll note the ultrasound findings.
Verify the lipid panel on screen 3, please.
Confirmed, Doctor. All parameters are optimal.
The thickness is uniform across the hide.
Scan confirms it. This batch is approved for luxury production.
This looks very good. Maintain the consistency on the next batch.
Texture and color consistency are perfect here. Yeah, verified. Send it to cutting. There is a small defect here. Okay, I will mark this one for secondary processing. Inspection complete on these horns. Quality approved. Mark them for production.
The measurements look precise. Proceed with the first cut here.
Yes, sir. Aligning the blade now.
The finish on these is excellent. Agreed. I'll clear lot 42 for packaging. The finish on these is excellent. Agreed. I'll clear lot 42 for packaging.